Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making saltfish and butterbean. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I have the saltfish in this bowl of water because I'm trying to remove some of the excess salt. I washed it, removed that water, and added some more water to try to get at some of that salt because it's really salty. So now I'm going to show you the next step. Alright, so over here I have some water. I'm going to add the saltfish and I'm going to boil it for a few minutes to remove as much salt as possible, because like I said, it's called saltfish for a reason. Alright, so while the saltfish is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my seasonings: onion, bell pepper, thyme, garlic, scallion, and habanero pepper. Next up, I have the habanero pepper. So how much you add is completely up to you. You know what level of spice you can take, but for me, when I prepare this, it has to be spicy. Alright, so now I'm going to pour the hot water off, add some cold water, and allow it to cool down, and then I'll show you what's gonna happen next. So while your saltfish is cooling down, you're going to add a pot to the stove, add some oil, and allow it to get. Alright, oil is hot. Go ahead and add your seasonings. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're just going to use a knife to remove all the scales from the saltfish. So as you can see, the side that I removed the scale from looks like this. The side that still has it looks like this. So you just have to use a knife to scrape the scales away. Alright, so now we're just pouring off the old water and we're going to add some fresh water on there. And so from here, you're just going to pull it apart and remove the bones that are in there, like this one right here. Alright, so now you're going to come back over here and add your. Alright, now you're going to add some black pepper. And again, it's how much pepper you can take. And some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Alright, so now I'm going to add my butter bean.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread